Hi everybody, Bullfrog here. I got tagged to do a pocket dump, and mine is different because it changes from day to day depending on where I'm going, what I'm going to do. So I carry keys. Inside the keys here I got my son's type 1 diabetic. If he goes low I got to carry these here, glucagon or whatever they call it. That'll bring him up. And I carry 2 cell phones, one for important people and one for normal people, whatever. Carry money. Carry this here, what the hell is that called? A snarl, made by SOG. Carry that around, jumping on there. Let's see, what else I gotta go? Carry my 9mm Taurus. Carry my 45. It's wet from being outside, moisture on it. Carry my 45, locked and loaded. Let's see. I got my, for the Wolf Clan, my wolf's tooth, earned not given. It's actually off a wolf. Got to kill one to get one. Carry this here. Actually, it's made out of titanium. You can use it for a knuckle buster. Bust somebody in the lock with that, and they'll make frequent visits to the dentist. Thick. It's light titanium. What else I got here? Oh, I got on my belt. Carry this here. It's called a flip grip. And if you need a tooth, you got a bad tooth or something, you got to pull your tooth out just to do the job. Yank that tooth right out. And then you flip it around. You got a set of needle nose. It's got some other pieces up in here. Pretty cool tool to have. Carry that on my belt. That's about it for today. I mean, I go day to day. I mean, it changes. Oh, carry my, had to pull it out of my pocket. I'm used to having it in there. My Kershaw crown. My billfold, I carry that in my jacket pocket. Extra keys. That's about it. There you go. Pocket dump. Oh, dang, I forgot I got it on the side. Been carrying this every day, up on the lake and out in the woods or whatever. The Alpha Wolf, made by Knives of Alaska. And back here on my belt, I got my Rogue Wolf, Tops Rogue Wolf. And last but not least, if I can find the damn thing, I had it in my hand just, well, it's in my pocket. Carry extra clips for my 45, stay racked and stacked. And it's just a video response to, I'll carry this in my boot. Y'all seen that. Gotta check them tires every now and then, make sure they ain't going flat. And I got my Bond Arms Derringer, but I keep that in my vehicle. Well, wait, I think I got it down here in my leg, in my boot. Yep, in my boot. Carry my Bond Arms. I gotta change that. I gotta put some Velcro on there and get rid of them snaps and get some Velcro on there. Keep that locked and loaded. Put a 45 coat on here. And this is the 410. I like, if I meet a crook, you know, criminal, I like to give him a buffet. All he can eat. So there you got it. That's it for me. It's pretty heavy for today, but sometimes I go heavier, sometimes I go lighter. Depends on what the day calls for. Bullfrog man, I'm gone.